Hello, welcome to TIOmarkets price action analysis. Pound USD was rallying nicely yesterday after we published our analysis. It moved into this target zone as we said it would be likely. The idea basically was that if we get above this, then the move up here to the target zone is very likely. Now the market has collapsed from this zone. So let's take a look at the current price action to make sense what we should be basically looking to trade next. But first of all, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out of any of these great opportunities that we provide you with. And this obviously wasn't the only one. We do hit targets all the time. And also you should watch this video only if you agree with the fact that we don't provide any investment advice. You should take a moment, pause the video, read through the disclaimer, and only watch further if you agree with the disclaimer. Here's a quick recap on what we said this morning about pound USD. Market was trading here above the support at the time. We basically said that based on the technical picture and the negative news flow, we think that the overall risk is more to the downside. And therefore, we would look to sell the rallies and believe that supports are more likely to get broken eventually. The word eventually is there because we don't know if the market's going to go through the supports immediately or after a rally. Obviously, there's no way of knowing that. You just have to follow the price action and update yourself on the charts during the trading day. Now, when you have negative news flow and you have negative technical picture, then obviously the rallies are more likely to get sold and also supports are more likely to get broken. And so let's go and see the live charts now. Okay, so here we have pound USD in 2-hour time frame as usual, but let's just quickly go to 4-hour so that we can see a little bit more to the left. So basically, looking at the chart in 4-hour time frame, it kind of sticks out that we have violation after violation of these trend lines. So first of all, this one was violated, and then roughly the trend line acted as a resistance. Now, what happened yesterday was that we had this other trend line break earlier, and yesterday we rallied right into the trend line, and that was our target zone hit. And now we have price collapsing at the moment, trading close to the supports, or maybe I should say it's not at the moment collapsing because it's reacting higher from the proximity of this support here, but it collapsed from our zone. So what's interesting here is that if we go back to the 2-hour chart, so we have a little bit more granular picture of this chart. If we connect these 2 points here, we have a downtrend beginning here. So basically this gives us an idea that the market might be actually going lower in the future as well. And as you probably know by now, all of this is subject to the news flow from Brexit negotiations. All the trading ideas that we present here are only valid if you have both the news flow and the technicals supporting the idea. So there's no point fighting against the market. So looking at this, I think that it's likely that we will have somewhere up here, because basically, first of all, this area here was the last line of defense before the market dropped this. I think it was in Asian session today. And after the market started dropping very early today, this level is now a resistance level. So somewhere around 23.6 Fibonacci retracement and the upper end of the channel, I think there's good likelihood that the sellers will join in. And if we see market rolling over from those levels, I think that a approximately the current levels where we have 38.2 Fibonacci retracement could be a good solid first target. Then if the market just keeps on going lower, I think the second target zone should be somewhere down here, close to the channel low, and basically, correct this. So close to the channel low and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. And just very quickly, I'm going to give you the levels so that we have actual price levels here. So from 32.48 to 32.99, and then the other target 2 zone is from 31.07 to 31.58. So this is what we are looking to trade today, and this basically is based on the fact that we have negative technical picture, and we have also news from Bloomberg that the Brexit dinner yesterday really left only one option likely. That's the no deal. So as always, let's trade the markets with some level of carefulness, because this is especially a market that moves and swings wildly now that we have Brexit negotiations on, just approaching another deadline again. So we need to be careful, maybe trade smaller size and never trade without stops. So thank you for your time, take care, and I see you soon on the next video.